Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process to calibrate your touch screen on your Android device. So without any delay, let's just directly dive right into the video and get started. So we can go ahead and access our settings application. For that, go ahead and tap on it. And once you access your settings, you need to go ahead and look out for the option of display and select it. Once you select display, what you may look out for is look out for a setting like touch sensitivity. So you can scroll down and find the section for touch sensitivity and tap on it and just go over and toggle this option on. Or you can even look out for screen protector mode, such a kind of thing. And you just need to go ahead and increase the sensitivity or toggle this option right here on, and that should uh, enable it, and that should make the screen unresponsive or decrease it if it is too sensitive as well. Apart from that, you can reset app preferences if not this. So for that, you can look out for the settings and go over to system or advanced. So let's just head over and go to this section for advanced features and tap on it. After that, look out for the option of reset here or directly search for reset here. And once you find reset, look out for reset network settings or reset app preferences. So you can just go over and do so. Let's head over and go to applications instead. So tap on applications, and once you tap on app, go to the three dot in the top and select it. And look out for the option of reset app preferences on it and just go over and reset it. Or if not this, what we can do is we can install a calibration app instead. So you can go to the Play Store application and search for touchscreen calibration. Go to the search and type in touchscreen calibration. Hit enter and you'll be finding different applications. You may look out for the one with a good review and just go over and calibrate your touchscreen on Android using that application as well. So that is it, everybody. If you'd like to do so, you may follow up the steps for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.